Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. I-Force Max. I like that little graphic at the beginning and the gauge cluster. This vehicle has a 3.4 liter twin turbo V6 with 437 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. And you have the big screen in here, of course, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ventilated and heated seats, digital gauge cluster, big TRD badge on the bottom. I love the steering wheel, big Toyota badge over there, TRD Pro logo on the seats. And I also love the camo kind of look into the leather seats, plus the red stitching. You also have a big panoramic roof. And I uploaded a video on the Sequoia Limited, and I was talking about how much I like the new Sequoia and Tundra TRD Pros. So pretty cool how I'm able to get a video on this one today. You also have a heated steering wheel as well. But I really do like the hybrid powertrain in these. It has an electric motor, of course, and the torque is ridiculous. And it also gets pretty good fuel economy for what it is, which I believe it's like in the 15 to 20, depending on how you drive. I'm gonna put it in the sport mode for a test drive video. But let's walk around this Tundra. You also have a pretty cool shifter, and I like the little red stripe. This one's finished in Terra. It's like a dark burnt orange or brown. It looks like wet mud, kinda. It's interesting for sure. It definitely fits the off-road vibe with this truck. Looks pretty cool. I love on the TRD Pros, I love this, whatever you call that, like the arches, the wheel arches. The trim looks kind of like camo, the camo theme or whatever. You have big TRD step rails, but yeah, you see what I mean with that design it has. Giant TRD Pro badge on the back. The regular ones say Tundra on it. The TRD Pros literally just say TRD Pro. Here's the truck bed. This one also has a cover. You have dual outlet exhaust. The TRD Pros have dual outlet exhaust. The Sequoia and the Tundra. You also have the little stepping piece to get on and load stuff into your truck bed. But let's get this Tundra out on the road and see how it drives. I also have a video on the Sequoia TRD Pro if you want to check that out. This also has a built-in dash cam, which is pretty neat. Definitely something that everyone would like to have in their car. I'd be happy if I bought a car with a built-in dash cam. Saves me the time of getting one myself, right? But yeah, so these Tundras and Sequoias have like a really nice sound to them. I know it's fake, it's like synthesized, but I love it. I don't really care because it sounds awesome. It makes it sound like a V8, even though it's a twin turbo V6. Like that rumble that comes from it is makes it sound like a V8 and just sounds so cool. I just love the sound of it. And I like how the camera just turned on there. That's kind of cool. That's also going to be definitely very useful for off-roading and stuff, to look at your surroundings and everything like that. All right, let's go. I love the ride height of this thing, it's so nice. These things are just so torquey. You see that rumble, like that noise from the engine? It just sounds so good. You also have the little camera thing, which I personally don't really like in any car. I prefer to have a regular view. The only time I would use it is if the rear window is obstructed by something and I can't actually see. Like in a Corvette, that's useful because you can't see anything out the back. But in this car, you clearly can, so there's really no point of using that camera mirror, in my opinion, unless you really need it. Yeah, it sounds so good. I love this interior. Yeah, I'd definitely drive one of these TRD Pros, either the Sequoia or the Tundra, because you can use it for everything. Off-roading, regular driving, all of it. And I love the practicality of the hybrid. Yeah, drive is pretty good. As I said, I like the ride height. Acceleration's good. It's pretty comfortable actually. That's quick. Let's put it in the normal mode now. Despite its size, it doesn't feel unwieldy or anything like that at all. God, the torque in this thing is ridiculous. Really nice drive. Love it. love how the camera turns on. Let's back this thing up. Overall, this is a really cool Tundra TRD Pro. Really enjoyed driving it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for really cool trucks like this Tundra TRD Pro.